So units are created from the sidebar of a class. So if I click on the Add button here, it will take me to a thing that's about what's called the unit settings. And from this step, you can describe what the unit's about. So this one here is going to be about exchange rates. The top, I need to describe which part of our school it sort of relates to. Fund economics. And then I've got 3 boxes. So learning goals can be perhaps the essential questions or the essential understandings for that particular topic. And that's derived from our school K-12 curriculum and some of the IB documentation. So in this case, I'm just going to grab a couple of things that come out of our unit plan, paste them in here, and I can give these little bullet points. Unit summary, this could just be like a blurb for the topic, so I can say this unit so this assessment box here just describes the alignment of the assessment back to the intended learning for the unit that's occurred. And this is explained in our curriculum planning document. So in this case, they're assessed through a piece of coursework, looks at this particular topic of work, and also by like an in-class piece of writing, and then a presentation that looks at an article from a recent publication. So I can maybe I can list these. So that's kind of done what's called the assessments, and I've explained to students what the unit summary is about and learning goals. And there's a few more details on the side that you can change. So if you want to, you can come in here and you can decide how the unit is shared. So in this case, it's just shared with one class. If I wanted to, I could share it across other classrooms that I teach in. So if I teach 2 sort of sections of this, parallel sections of that, I could have it in 2 classes. I could share it with a colleague. I could share this across a whole grade if I wanted to. I could also make it public, which means that it's available from what's called the unit bank for other colleagues. Publish dates if you really wanted to be precise on where this is published to students. And appearance, this is a nice little trick. You can grab an image. So this isn't the most terribly exciting image in the world of exchange rates, but I can put it in here. And that's when you can remove it as well. So once you're finished, tags sometimes, you could maybe tag this as sort of high level. It can help people search for units if you wanted to, and save the unit. And so that's done the first step. Then after that, you need to make what's called the first page of a unit. So this is just a quick preview of what we've created so far. So you can see, let's put this unit called exchange rates into a class. That's that banner in the blue that I've added. And down here, this has added the learning goals and the stuff about the assessment that we talked about. If you want to change this, just back into settings. And for the time being, this is just in private. It's not published to the students, it's in a draft status. But I can just click on this blue button to publish it there.